Hello, my name is Walt. I am one of the librarians at McNeese State University. This video will introduce you to the Academic Search Complete database. Let us begin at the library's homepage. The library subscribes to about 100 databases. Academic Search Complete is one of the most popular databases. Therefore, we have a link to it on our homepage. If you are on campus, you can access the database directly from this link. If you are not on campus, you will reach a login screen when clicking on that link. Your user ID is your banner number followed by 02. Your PIN is generated by the library computer system. The easiest way to obtain your PIN is to contact the Public Services Department at area code 337-475-5725. When you see the database homepage, please be sure you see the McNeese State University logo in the top right. This ensures you are accessing our subscribed content. This database is an academic response to Google. It searches a lot of material and is designed to return an absurd amount of hits. You will probably need to use the built-in tools to narrow your search results. However, like Google, you can search for anything in the main search box and you should receive a lot of hits. This example may be a bit difficult to read closely. I did a simple search for college success. The database returned over 2,300 hits. The number of hits changes weekly as the database negotiates content with publishers. Some items disappear and new items appear. At the top right of the screen, there are several options to help you with this database. If you create your own account at the link labeled Sign In, you can save materials in all of the EBSCOhost databases. Even if the publisher pulls content out of the database, your saves will stay there. Alternatively, there is a folder option. Use this if you are cramming for research the night before a paper is due. It is possible to lose items when you use the folder option as opposed to your own account. The folder will hold items as long as you are actively searching the database. When you close the screen or the database times you out for lack of interaction, the folder is emptied. Now let us take a look at some of the results. Research shows that students will only look at 1 or 2 pages of results, and certainly not 20, so we need to narrow our results down. At the bottom of the page, you will notice video links. In order to have so many search results, this database includes a lot of non-scholarly material, such as videos. The left side of the screen contains many options to limit or narrow your search results. One of the best ones to use is the Scholarly Journals link. You'll notice a checkbox is located next to it. Select this checkbox. By selecting that option, we have reduced our search results almost to 1,000 hits. That is still way too many. A lot of people like to limit searches to just full text articles. This option is good in case you need to complete your research the night before your paper is due. However, the most up-to-date material is frequently not covered in our subscriptions. Therefore, if you are limiting your results only to full text, you will likely exclude the most current research. Selecting full text has narrowed our results down to around 700 hits. At this point, there are 4 equally good ways to further narrow your results. The first way is to add search terms to your initial search. I prefer to continue with the built-in limiters that we have been using so far in this demonstration. I like to limit my searches by date. If we limit our search to just the past 10 years, we narrow our results down to about 450 hits. I may even select the References Available limiter. This function virtually guarantees everything in the search results will be a scholarly article because it is looking for endnotes and footnotes. Selecting this option brings our results down to about 100 hits. The last common limiter is the use of subject terms. These are specific words and phrases in which the authors and publishers catalog and organize collections of material. If we select the first option, United States, we have narrowed our search results down to just 5 hits. At this point, we need to look at each item more closely to determine if it is relevant to our needs. When you click on the title of an article in your search results, you will see a page like this. The PDF is located in the upper left side of your screen. The PDF link allows you to view the article. On the right side of the screen, you have additional tools such as print, save, cite, export, and more. Each of these tools applies to this page in the database, not the article. For example, if you select print, the printer will print this page, not the article. Similarly, if you select the email function, it will email you a link to this page rather than the article itself. The citation generator is a particularly useful tool. However, in most cases, the citation generator cites the database rather than a permalink, which is the more accurate means of citation. The last thing I want to show you is interlibrary loan, or ILL for short. If you do not limit your searching to full-text items, you will see the ILL symbol often in your search results. This symbol means that we do not have access to this item, and we have to borrow it from another library. This service is free for you, but it does take an average of 3 business days for an article to be emailed to you. For more information on ILL, please view the ILL tutorial. This concludes the Academic Search Complete tutorial. If you are having trouble accessing the database or using the database, please contact the Public Services Desk at area code 337-475-5725. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your research.